Guys, this is Arun from the Digital Deepak team. I wanted to make a quick video on how to pick the right theme and logo for your niche site. Before you choose a theme for your niche site, there are few things you must remember. The first one is to say no to clutter. There are many themes with too many features, there are many themes with complex navigation, and the problem is if you install a theme which is filled with too many features, you'll be spending time trying to figure out those features instead of building the real thing, which is a high quality content site. So you have to pick a theme which is clean in its structure, which is simple in its layout, and which does not have too many graphic elements. The second thing to remember is you have to pick a simple blogging theme. At the most, you will have 25 to 30 blog posts, and you will not need complex features like in for a news site or an e-commerce site or a membership site. So keep it simple with your theme. The third thing to remember is the readability and post styling should be very good, because it's important that the reader who lands up on your website reads through the blog post. This is because only when he reads the blog post he will be convinced to actually click on that link and buy the product, and as a result you get commissions. So readability and post styling is very important. The fonts, the line height and everything should be of a good stature, because if not you have to either pick up a new theme or you should spend time working with the CSS, which can be tedious for a beginner. The fourth one is you have to pick a responsive theme. Google gives websites which are mobile friendly a higher ranking over websites which are not mobile friendly in Google mobile device. So you have to pick a responsive theme always. The fifth one is don't buy a paid theme. Even if you see a niche affiliate website which I shared in my previous video, none of them have used a paid theme. This is because you are not trying to build a super great authority website. The sixth thing to remember is you should have a clear, prominent navigation. You should not have a cluttered navigation. Navigation is what most niche affiliate marketers miss. They think that if I have 10 blog posts on my website, it's gonna start ranking. But no, navigation is important. Links in the sidebar is important. You have to pick a theme which has clear navigation. Does not have clutter in the navigation. The seventh thing to remember is pick a two-column theme. In desktop devices, you can add a sidebar to that theme, and in the sidebar you can have a large rectangle affiliate banner, so people can click on that banner and you make commission as a result. The eighth one is you have to run a speed test. Speed test is important because speed is a ranking factor in Google right now, and the faster the website, the higher the likelihood of it ranking. So you have to pick a theme which is fast. The ninth thing to remember is you should not ponder too much. This is because the more time you ponder on picking a theme, the less time you have on doing the more important stuff, which is adding content, optimizing content, promoting the website. The theme is not going to make or break your affiliate business. Yes, picking a good theme is important, but once you follow these 9 pointers, you will easily find a good theme. Now I'm going to walk you through the themes section in WordPress, and I will point out few good niche affiliate site themes you can pick, all of them which are free. Currently we are in the WordPress dashboard, so I see that there are few themes which WordPress is recommending. I have checked each one of these themes. I like all of these. So before you install a theme, maybe you can check the theme, how exactly it is. So here you see the line height is not appropriate. Yes, you can go to the CSS and change the line height and all, but I wouldn't pick that. Let's check this theme. Yes, it's a clean theme. The font, the line height is good. Once you add navigation there, it appears here. It has a sidebar, which is good. Let's go to individual post and see. Yes, this is a good theme to choose. This is a good theme to choose. 2016 is a good theme. Let's check these. It has a sidebar. That's good news. The font is good. The readability is good. So this is also a good theme. It's simple. There's no clutter. There is no additional columns. Now I am in the theme marketplace. Here you will find more themes and you have an option to use the filter. I'll use block. I will use two columns and I will choose and apply filters. So here we have few options. So let's check this Mercia. Okay, interesting. It has a sidebar which looks good. Yes, this looks good. Elements, let's check. The readability is good. Yeah, this looks like a clean, and it has the navigation from one post to another. So this is a good blog post theme. So this is a good theme. So I'm going to activate this theme because I really liked it. I'll install this theme. And activate too. And before you install a theme, you should go to Google Page Insights tool and check what the speed would be. So I would say Google. Now since I installed the theme on this page, I would like to see what the speed metrics are as per Google. Mobile, it needs work. Desktop, it's good. So mobile 76 out of 100 is not that great. Desktop, it's good, but I can install WP Total Cache plugin. A tutorial of this plugin has been added up in the niche site section within this course, so do have a look. So once I install that plugin, this problem will be solved. So I'm clean. But if you see that you have installed a theme and your page speed insights tool says somewhere around 50, then it means there is a lot of work which needs to be done and you should shy away from such WordPress themes. The second thing to do is find a logo. I'm going to use Fiverr for this purpose. Fiverr because it's a trusted website and there are many experts, logo design experts on Fiverr. So I'll go to Fiverr and book my logo. I want a good logo design for my niche site. And also remember, don't spend a high amount for your logo. You have to at the most spend $10 or maybe $15 for a push, but not more than that. So I will order my logo for trimmers for men.in on Fiverr right now. So we are in Fiverr right now. I searched for logo design and I got a set of options. so you can refine your results to logo design. If you are in a hurry, you can pick up delivery time, but know that when you pick a high to low but know that when you pick up a delivery time which is short, the prices go up. So I set my price range 0 to 15 and hit enter. There are more options, the style and all. I will choose signature. No, this. In the style, I will choose versatile. In format, I'll choose PNG. Yes. So I have got a list of options. Now I see that if the rating is 4.9 for few of them, which is good news. And this is 5 stars. Let me check out this particular service. Okay, these are good logos. So I will pick this. So once you buy the service, you will be asked for requirements, which in what industry does this order relate to. I would pick, so I would pick beauty and fashion. Your colors of choice, I would pick black and blue, black, I'll pick blue. Actual business name is Trimmers for Men. Your tagline, unbiased, expert trimmer reviews. Your website address, trimmersformen.in. Do you have any inspirational pictures or ideas regarding this logo? If yes, then send me. I don't have anything right now. What style do you prefer for this logo styles? I like modern. Yes. Any element you want to incorporate in the logo design? Beard. Yep. Your business industry. I would pick grooming. Please submit details for business card and other. If you are looking for stationery design too. Nope. The information provided accurate. Okay. Then I would say start order. Okay. Please submit details for business card and other stationery designs if you're looking for. Okay, cool. Now I can start my order. Yes, done. Within the next 5 days, I will get this logo. I'll put this logo up on trimmersformen.in. So that's it from my side for this video. You install a theme and a logo which you bought on Fiverr, or you got designed by your friend, or you have designed it yourself, and comment with your niche site link in the comment section below, and I will see if it's the right theme or logo for your niche site. You can even comment in the Facebook group, and you can take opinion from your peers. I will pitch into. So get started.